Wendy.
Okay.
Well, then we gotta get the tape off.
Can
Can I have the keys, Daddy? Oh! I don't think this is a card. I think it's just... Watch out, Lil. What's inside, Zoe? It says it's from Grandma. Grandma Wendy, yeah. Okay, step back, step back.
Sit down, Zoe.
Almost done, guys. You're being so patient. Hold on, I know. Hold on, I gotta... He's really struggling here.
It says love. It says
Grandma teeth. Okay. Hold on. Sit. Scoot back.
Everybody
Lil.
scoot back.
Let's see. There's probably... Let's see. This one says Zoe. This one says Quentin. And this one says Lily.
I have a chocolate buddy.
Ooh.
Yeah.
What's this, Lily? Ears.
Buddy.
Bunny ears. Look. Bunny ears. Zoe's like, look, Zoe.
Bye.
Yeah, your bunny ears. You want to put them on?
What else I have? Look what else I have.
Oh.
Open.
Okay, we'll open them later. Let's finish opening your stuff first. Here's your card.
Look at this.
Oh, that's a cute ducky.
Is this yours? Yeah. This is mine.
I think some... Oh, look, this goes in the bath. It'll swim in the bath.
Does this one go in the bath?
Uh-huh.
What else do I have? Oh, with the same candles. This, how does
Oh,
this?
stickers. What? Yeah, we'll open those later. Look, Zoe, there's more in here, honey. Hold on, I'll get it out. I'll get it out. Sit down. It says, Quentin, Happy Easter.
Wow, look what I have.
Hold
What
on.
is this?
Here, Zoe.
What is this?
Open it.
Okay.
It just pulls off the top. The tag pulls off like this. Hold on, Zoe. Help?
Yeah.
Oh, it undoes like that. Okay. There you go. Hubie, it's tape. It's tape on the side. Hold on. Look.
Yeah. Open that over. My ticket. What are they?
I don't know. There you go. Princess. Oh, and books. Oh.
Open.
Okay.
What is it? Betty. My Betty.
No. Oh,
My
we can share. We can share. Look.
Is there anything else?
No, that's it. What do you say to Grandma Wendy?
Thank you, Grandma Wendy.
Everyone say thank you.
Thank you.
Lily, say thank you.
Can you open this?
Lily,
Can you open
say thank you to
this?
Grandma on the camera.
Let me see how that works.
Look,
Hey, my foot.
Lily,
Push the button.
Open this.
Lily,
What is that?
Lily. Tell Grandma thank you.
$5 bill.
Called Dizzy Bunny.